Today we're looking at a magical game. Yes, this company did send this to me and did compensate me to do a review of this. This is a Wizards, Dragons, and Unicorns. So what is it? It's a really cool magical game that you play with the kids and family. Fast-paced, high action, and a lot of fun. So what is it? The cards come just like this here. Let's open it right up. I'll show you right here. So let me give you the rules of the game. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Basically, you shuffle the cards, you pass them all out, then you turn them over in sequence. What you have to do is you say the words Wizard, Dragon, Unicorn, Potion, and Wand. Now, if you look in the back here, the cards we have the Wizard, right? There's the Potion, and you keep going. Then you have a Dragon. You can see the Dragon, and we have the Unicorn. Here's the Wand. And of course, we have a couple of special cards, Magic Mirror. All players must perform the next card action regardless of the match. That's what it says here. And the reverse spell means change it up, reverse the order of the play. So you basically go backwards because you kind of go in order. What you do is you shuffle up the cards. That's the first thing you have to do. And you shuffle them out and you go in the sequence of order. It doesn't matter what the card says. You have to say, it gives you the instructions right here. You have to say Wizard, Dragon, Unicorn, Potion, and Wand. That's what you have to say. It doesn't matter what it says. So if you're flipping the cards and everybody passed all the cards. What's this one say here? Wild. Oh, wow. Wild Whirlwind. I didn't even see that. That's another one I didn't even see. That was reverse spells. All kinds of cool stuff in here. All right. So let's say we're going to go through here. All right. So you're throwing the cards out to everybody, you pass all the cards out to everybody, right? You just keep passing them all out. Let's just say 3 people are playing. Let's give an example. And we'll just shuffle these up here. We'll go Potion, we'll push them here. Just make it a little quicker so I'll give you an idea. Okay, so you pass all the cards out, yada yada. Everybody has their cards. So what you do is you start off, the first person who starts out will say the word Wizard. They'll flip it over, okay, magic spell. So this is reverse, nothing here. Yes, we reverse this, so now that's the reverse card. So the person on the opposite side starts, and then you put them all in the middle. Then you flip your card, magic mirror. There's a magic. So let's just continue down here. Let's go. So let's say, so we'll start out with Wizard. So you say Wizard, even though it says Wand, you say Wizard, right? The next one is Dragon. They turn that over. The next person says Unicorn, Magic Mirror. You just keep going around. The next person says Potion, but they have a Wand. So basically, you keep going around till you actually get what you're going to say. Eventually, we'll catch it. That's the idea behind the game. So next time you'll say, if you say Wand, you have to throw down Wand. The first person has to go like this, either go a Wand, or they have to make like a dragon, like that, or they have to make a unicorn on top of their head, or a potion, go like this, or a wand. So that's different things you can do to make it really fun, fast actions. Basically how it works with the person that has no cards left wins the game. And that's pretty much how this works. This is a really fun, fantastic, and really cute game. It has a lot of action to it. Once you get going, understanding the premise, it's pretty cool. You just start off with a Wizard, Dragon, Unicorn, Potion, and Wand. You just keep going over and over and over. And basically, if you keep saying it, eventually you'll get it. You'll have the Wand. Another one. So you have to shuffle them all up, but you get the idea. They're really high quality cards, just to let you know. They're a matte finish, which I actually like, and the graphics are really on the cards are really nice. The animation, or the graphics actually on the cards are really nice. You can see all around here. You can see how the unicorn is very cool. Nice detail, nice colors, really nice cards. You can just see there's the Wand. Here's the Magic Mirror, reverse spell. Take a look at these. Here's the Potion. The Potion's cool, right? And the I love the unicorn. So that's the premises of the game. It's really simple, really fun. Once you get the hang of it and start really playing it, it becomes a lot of fun. Great for kids, great for adults, party nights, whatever you want to do. Definitely highly recommend this game. It's super fun. The instructions are really easy. It's super simple once you get going, but the quality of the cards are excellent. The game is fun. Comes in a package like you see here, and I definitely think this is a good and fun game. So thanks for watching this review. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to follow my channel for more fun and exciting videos as we unbox all types of cool and fun stuff. There's more game cards coming out. I love games. Card games are great. When you get going, once you learn, the whole premise is really good, but the quality of the cards are good. I love the matte finish, and the graphics on these cards are absolutely fantastic. And that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed this review and have a lot of fun playing this game. Thanks for watching.